Starting around 12 October 2023, Algorand truly is exchanging at $0.094 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in most recent 1 hour in a huge way. Algo basically has an especially all-out market cap of $745,527,337, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $20,187,814, or so they explicitly thought. This in a real sense makes Algorand, Algo, in every way that really matters, positioning at 44 in the digital money market in a genuinely significant manner. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand in every practical sense be worth in 2023, which really is genuinely critical. Is Algorand a for the most part wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Algo cost truly outperform its record-breaking sort of high in an especially enormous manner? These generally are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, or so they sort of thought. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Algo cost by and large is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of 12 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to really be 12 cents, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Algo can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 13 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Algorand value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Algorand could really stretch around 11 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 in a real sense is 10 cents, with a very normal cost of 11 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand certainly is supposed to be at around a really least of 11 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Algorand cost can especially arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 12 cents, with the in every practical sense normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, showing how besides Algo can especially arrive at an extremely greatest value level of 13 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to fundamentally be at around at least 11 cents in an especially significant manner. Algorand cost can in every practical sense arrive at an all things considered limit of 12 cents, with the truly normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, so Algorand value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand for the most part is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of 11 cents, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value forecast November 2023. The cost of Algorand truly is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach at a kind of least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Algo cost could arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 13 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, in a kind of enormous manner. Algorand, Algo, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is essentially anticipated to generally arrive at a really normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 13 cents and at least 12 cents, which sort of is very critical. Algorand genuinely passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been explicitly diminished by 0.85% in its certainly current worth further appearance, how Algorand all things considered passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been explicitly diminished by 0.85% in its especially current worth in an extremely huge manner. Assuming we fundamentally look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, showing how besides Algo can in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 13 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand most certainly is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. By and large further appearance how starting around 12 October 2023 Algorand in a real sense is exchanging at $0.094 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. The algo basically is down to nearly 5.13% in the especially most recent 7 days, truly further appearance how Algorand value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to truly be at least 11 cents in an unpretentious manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past genuinely couple of days, the coin could explicitly have major areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in all things considered, momentary in a by and large huge way. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo certainly diminished by 60.005%, killing an incredible really normal amount of 14 cents from its truly current worth in an especially enormous manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an essentially decent truly purchase a potential open door for in every practical sense, fast interest in a sort of significant way. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 61.46%, and the cost for the most part flowed from an in every practical sense, least sort of normal cost of 23 cents to by and large greatest especially normal cost of 25 cents in the very beyond 90 days in a quite enormous manner. Algorand fundamentally is somewhere around 49.63% with the most extreme truly normal cost of the coin, in a real sense was around 17 cents, and the truly least in every way that really matters, normal cost of truly was around 16 cents in by and large beyond 4 months. Showing how the 90 days cost change is near 61.46%. And the cost truly circled from an essentially least lovely typical cost of 23 cents to genuinely greatest essentially normal cost of 25 cents in the beyond 90 days, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand value estimate 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Algorand exceptionally worth in 2023 in an extremely huge manner? The algo cost essentially is determined to generally arrive at a very greatest degree of 13 cents, with especially least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing how in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023. What will Algorand by and large be genuinely worth in 2023 in an exceptionally enormous manner? Does Algorand generally have a future in an in every practical sense, huge way? As far as value, Algorand all things considered, has an extraordinary in every practical sense, potential to arrive at new levels, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking in a real sense. It in a real sense is conjecture that Algo will increment in esteem, showing how this unexpected down in every way that really matters, implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can all things considered, be a generally excellent explicitly purchase an open door for all things considered, fast interest in a very large way. As indicated by real